Another important and very, very important tool we have on CorelDRAW is the contour tool. So it's beneath the shadow tool. Can you see it? Contour. So click on it. So let's go to the next page. This is what you can do with it. What's the use of the contour tool? It's used to apply a series of concentric shapes that radiate into or out of an object or text. It also works for text. So you can decide it is. So you click the next page. So this is what they mean. Let me click on the text. Can you see it? So this is what it meant. So for example, this is what you want to do. Go shift down. The contour tool will help you to create concentric. Can you see it? Once you click and drag, can you see it? Drag outside. Or let's assume like this first. So how many? One, right? It's one. You can change the steps here. Increasing the steps. And you can change inside contour. Can you see? If it is inside, if it is outside, you can specify to center. So I'm using outside contour. Can you see it? Outside contour. So let me increase it to, I can increase it here. Can you see it? 1. It's making 2. So once I increase it once, it will be 2. You know, before by default it's 1. So let's continue. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's leave it in 5. So if you apply color on it, now we'll talk about there is a video for that will talk about under coloring, that will talk about fill and outline. So for now, to give it an outline, the color around it, this black is called an outline. The fill is the color in between. In an object or text is called fill, but the color along or outside an object or text is called the outline. So to give it an outline, you will drag any color from the color palette. Can you see? Let's drag orange from the color palette and drop here in this diamond to change the outline. It's loading. Okay, so can you see it? If you drag orange now from the color palette and drop on this diamond, it will change to outline. Can you see it? That have changed. But if you drag yellow from the color palette and drop on this box, it will be what? Fill color. So this is what they mean. You can see the outline here. The outline is what? The outline is yellow. The orange, while the fill color, can you see the fill color is yellow. So this is what we did. This is what we did. So yellow. So let me undo it. Let me give this for outside one yellow so that you see what I'm talking about. Control. Okay, let me do this one so that let's use inside. The inside one, I think it will work more. So click on the contour tool, drag to inside. You can click inside here, or it will change by itself. Let's see, it will change by itself. So click from anywhere and drag inside. Let's assume this is okay. But it's not. You turn it back to. Let's Ctrl Z it. You can make it 1 back. So I continue doing it. You can see it. Take it inside. Can you see it? Then you can increase it. 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. So this outside one, it can be yellow. This is what I mean, yellow. Or let's do it like this again. Let's do it like this. Give it yellow so that we see what I'm talking about. Yellow. You drag it down inside. Can you see that the color has changed? This is what I'm talking about. If you check this, for hints, you see more explanation. So let me reduce it to 1 so that you see what I'm talking about. So the space, can we adjust it? So if you increase it now to like 4, 5, can you see it? So if we change the outline, drag any, let's say orange, to the outline, drag it to this outline. The outline is that stuff, that diamond shape. I see that it has changed simultaneously. So that's what I'm talking about. If you drag it to the field, let's use red. If you drag red to this field, it will change to this box side. It will change. Can you see it? So that's what they're talking about. So you can explore more. And it also applies to test. Let's do for test. Instead of creating outline, you can just test. So test, as for test, the color is so test. Okay, you can just bold it, reduce the size here, and make it like just point S70, S100. So you can drop it here. So if you use the contour tool now, can you see it? If you drag it, can you see it's making sense? So if you just change the color here, drag it, let's change the outline, or let's change the fill to you. Can you see it? It's making sense. So, but don't forget to make it one here, one. So adjust it up. So you can change it to any color you wish. This color you can change it to like yellow. So right, this color. I just drag the color. You can change it to yellow will not work on black. Red will not work on. So let's change it to yellow. Drop on it. Let's see. This should be the yellow. Let's just drag yellow. Just look for a color that will just resonate. It's blue. So hope you understand the use of contour tool. You can, as you finish now, to separate the stuff, all of them apply to all of them too. So what you do now, come to object, or let's just right click. We have not reached menu bar, so right click it here. Right click, break apart. So you break apart, control key. It's not showing here. So we'll just come to object, break apart. It's not showing. Object, break apart. Can you see? Break contour apart. So you can still come to this thing again, test to group to the menu bar and group, or can group it. So but it's only one, that's why as you come group, as you break it apart, it has already separated. So you can change the color now to yellow, or any color that will blend very well. You can use orange, or let's use that black. This is black, and this one should be yellow. Let's see how it will work. Can you see it? It's making sense. So this what you can do with contour tool. You can explore more. You are welcome.